to our session. Now we are going to talk about correction of errors. Correction of errors, it normally occur in accounts, especially when preparing the transaction which were being recorded to the books of accounts. In day-to-day life, we normally do this mistake, not intentionally. So now, today we are going to see the different types of errors. And today we are discussing about errors which affect trial balance agreement and errors which do not affect trial balance agreement. So today we are going to focus on errors which do not affect agreement trial balance. The first one we are going to start with error of omission. Here we are going to see when the person decide to complete or omit the transaction. It will not appear in the books of account. The second one, we are going to see the error of commission. This error of commission, it affects the person accounts. So here we are going to see when transaction enter or recorded in the long names of person accounts, such like we sell the goods to Ali, but in recorded the transaction is recorded to Ali. So that is the error of commission. And the third, we are going to talk about the error of principle. Error of principle, it occurs when a transaction recorded or violating the principle of accounts. Like we bought a machine as an asset, but in recording the transaction we debit the repair machine accounts. So that is the error of principle. And the fourth one, we are going to see the error of original entry. Here if we find that the transaction has made, but the original which was recorded in the invoice, it was not the one which has recorded in the books of accounts. Example, we sell the goods of 130,000, but we record 31,000 instead of 30,000. And the fifth, we are going to see compensating errors. Here we say this error, it's normal, cancel each other. We find when we record the transaction, On the debit side, maybe it is exceed 10,000, and the debit side it exceed 10,000, so it is cancelled each other. When you overcast the one side and the other side also it's overcast. When it undercast, the debit side also the credit side undercast, so we say the error has cancelled each other. And the fix, we have error of complete reverse. Here also the transaction during transaction we violate the reverse. You violate the transaction during recording. So this one we find we purchase the machine from Ali instead of debiting machine. You debit Ali and you credit machine, so that one it will call complete reverse error. So this is the common error which is normally occur in daily to daily life when we are dealing with the transaction of accounts. So we are going to see another type of error, but that one we are going to discuss on the next session. So please don't forget to subscribe and share your comment if you like this video. Thank you.